Hey, welcome back. This is your boy Kash, and this is Money Shot Monday. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how I created this powerful executive portrait using a simple indoor setup and controlled lighting to make my subject look confident. And this setup can be used for any of my entrepreneurs, real estate agents, brokers, and just anybody that is in business or corporate that needs some good headshots. Let's do it. All right, as you can see, we got the neck set going. She's changed to a red attire. It's kind of a monotone space over here, so it's like a pop of red that I really like. We're just using my big 40-inch beauty dish setup, one strobe light setup over here. Nikon Z3. Right now we are shooting with a 35, 3.5, 250, ISO 100, and then I'll be switching to my ZR for the video. All right. Yeah, I like that. That's gorgeous. Love. Yeah. Oh, the red is doing it. It's something about you and oh, kill it. Oh, I like that one. Yep. Yep. That's it.
Ooh.
All right. So let's kind of come over more towards the book area. Maybe put like back on the corner of the bookshelf. Yeah. Yeah, let's see what that looks like. Let's see if we just kind of light you from the side, what that looks like. Yeah, let's move that just a little bit more. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Yep, that's it. That's gorgeous. I love that smile. Crazy. Hey guys, so we're gonna do our last little set for today. It's about 6:03. I think our time ends at 6:30, so we're doing great on timing. So we just found another little prop off this bookshelf back here. We're gonna utilize it with the red suit, and I'm gonna take a seat because these knees is hurting. Don't be laughing. It ain't funny. There you go. Lock it up. Lock it up. So for this one, I'm gonna try to add a little rim light over here on the side of her with my newer light, but it might get overpowered by the big light. So we just gonna see if we can add just a little bit. If I turn this all the way up. All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I like that now. So the newer light in the back is kind of filling in some of the shadows that is being cast by the big strobe, as well as providing a little rim light on her shoulder and her hair. Cute. All right, so that concludes another Money Shot Monday. We didn't get to use all this pier space, but you better believe we probably both will be back to utilize it because it's an amazing space over here. Besides, like I said, a little trouble of getting in it. It was a good shoot. It was so nice to meet you today and just to be able to shoot with you. Can't wait to shoot with you in the future. And if you want to leave your social medias or anything that you want to leave for them, that'd be great.
So my social is Azaria. It's AZARIAHHH.
All right.
On Instagram.
So that's how you guys find her. book her. She's an actress and a model and a DJ. She just became a DJ today. She ain't
Maybe
talking
not.
about that.
Maybe not.
Hey, but thank you for supporting the channel. Like, subscribe, and comment. And please just stay tuned for more content in the future. Thanks.